Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescued channel. This is just a smidge of what happened on the first full day of the show last Monday. We had a great time in a meet and greet, and of course the actual doll show floor.
Look at everybody here from all the channels. Go subscribe to them all. Tilly, Shelly's Dollies, Gigi Mall Style.
Dyslexia at its best.
Go subscribe to everybody's channels. Be a part of this. This is Gigi Mamel's daughter who was able to join us. Her channel is Makeup by Mary. Go subscribe. Be a part of this. Join in.
Really want to do something today? It would be hilarious.
I know. I'm off to the show. My regular photographer is not going to like the lighting on this, but these are my dolls in the window behind the table where we're going to party in just a bit. We have this room that is very, very nice for our partying, and that's the door to the big bedroom, which is about the size of a normal hotel room, and the bath. And this closet, what's in here? Oh, another comforter and big safe. How nice is that? But anyway, what I was going to show you is there are the goodie bags for everybody. Each one is different, and they will be drawing their own. Darren has the 3D printer going. Oh, I said that, but it's not. He's making these little bunnies for everybody. They're really, really cute, and he's getting those ready. But in the window behind Darren are all the dolls, and I was going to show those to you. Okay, I'm going to start wrong side. I don't think you can see her. I have a Blythe for sale with 3 outfits and a stand. I'm trying to remember what else is in there. I have my 2 rainbow high dolls. This one Darren just bought for me. Can't think of her name. My Judy Garland doll that I am absolutely so proud of. My autograph doll that has a few autographs on it, but not enough. We're going to do those in just a little bit. The giveaway Blythe. My son, who is taking care of our dogs, bought this for me. It is a Be Kind doll, Daisy, because he remember I had the other Daisy. I love these dolls, and I love them for kids because they have crafts and stuff. And it's just a wonderful thing for kids. It talks about the environment. You know how I am about the environment. Very, very cool. Thank you to my son. And then my Daisy and the doll I bought at the show, a bendable leg Jean doll. And then I have another giveaway doll. It's a prize-winning doll. The B doll is from Gigi Mamel, and there's Skittles underneath. And this is her channel logo. If you go to Living It Gigi Ma Style, you'll see her little bee like this. And then Dory's Dollies gave me this. She has a Daiso Japanese store near her. Look at the outfit. Oh my God, look at the outfit. I don't want to take it out yet, but yes, I am going to.
Hi, I'm Darren from the Dolls Rescue channel, and here we are at the meet and greet from the St. Louis Doll Show. Hey, everybody! Just glad everybody could come. We're here just having a good time. Wish you were here. If there's 13 people here, we've got 12 conversations going on.
Okay.
All right, here's Dory's
Dory's
Dory
doll.
or Dory's?
Dory's.
Dory's dollies.
They're Dory's dollies.
Okay.
And
this is what she brought to the meet and greet.
this is what I brought. This is my little Blythe that I gave a little face up to.
Oh, that's so cute.
And this is my little mini me. He's rocking the silver hair. And I've got a little Mitty that's hiding.
Sitting there with a little attitude in the middle.
Yep. And I've got a little petite there, keeping my girls in check. And I've got my rainbow high here. This is Ainsley Slater. This is Margot de Perla. We all decided to bring our rainbow high girls. And I have a little reborn baby here. So awesome. It's great to spend time with everybody and see everybody's dolls.
Tell me about the beads.
Yeah.
All right, so these beads are, it says, trade a bead with a friend to remember the time you spent with them. I made that up.
So she gave everybody a bag of beads. Each person got one color or general color, and then
general color.
We're all trading beads.
And then you got slack beads. Slack beads mean you can trade with a friend. Because if you say you wanted just this color and you don't want to put other colors, you have slack beads to trade with somebody. Because it takes about 11 beads to fill a Blythe chain with this scale bead.
Cool. And then we got here's my move your hand.
Oh, I'm
here's
sorry.
my little collection so far.
Oh, wow, he
Get
really
out of
did
the way.
I love how he did the collection. He really did.
Okay, here's Ayla and Ron who brought the entertainment.
You told me all these aliens.
We're the entertainment.
Alcohol. Loose lips are already starting here. Thank you, Ron. And they're getting ready to sign a doll, and that is not child safe. We're going to skip that.
My mini me. This is little Gigi.
Little Gigi.
This is Luna.
Hey, Luna.
This is my Blythe doll.
Yep.
This is and I keep forgetting Violet. This is Violet, and this is Primrose. These are Shelley's Blythe. This is Shelley's autographed doll. This is my little girl Tamel. She is a reborn. And mine and my daughter's autographed dolls. And that little one is my grand dolly. That is my daughter Megan's doll. She looks just like my granddaughter.
And here's the.
And this
few
is
more.
Tilly's. This is Tilly's little girl. How do you say her name again? Avery, I think. You'll have to ask Tilly. I can't remember her exact name. But that's Tilly's little girl.
And Marna and Darren are
Hanging out goodie bags now from Dolls Rescue Marna.
Oh my God!
We're all super and happy and excited. And so I just wanted to show you everything. There's here in 3D printer working on rainbow high. And I'm going to show you all the goodies.
You should smell
Okay. So Marna had a little game here where everybody got to guess how many dolls each person came. And Meg here guessed the closest. She guessed 50 dolls. 53 was the official count. And the prize was the little Barbie here.
That skirt is amazing. Oh, it's houndstooth.
And it's pink is her favorite color.
Congrats, Meg.
It's her favorite color.
Okay, this is a doll Marna did for customized and did it as a prize for today. And I took it from her so that I could give it away the way I wanted to give it away. I gave it to Ron. Hey, Ron.
Hi.
He, like I, is another person here because he loves his wife and wanted to support their hobby and here having a good time on their hobby. And anyway, I thought, it's only appropriate that he wins the doll. Now, we all know that it's really going to Ayla, but, we are all going to continue to say that it's his doll. Whether he likes it or not, he now has a Blythe doll. Okay, I'm slow on the draw. Everybody put their name in a hat, and Ron picked the name out of the hat. Tilly won the doll from Louisa
Jennings. Everybody
Jess.
give her a round of applause. You gonna give it to her? Wow.
Really?
That's a friend.
Oh, Tilly, you are so good. This is why.
Mel
Wait a
wanted
minute.
that doll.
Wrong one.
Sweet thing
You
doll.
wanted the doll?
I wanted the one with the bees on it.
Oh, no, that was the giveaway doll.
Well, I will take it.
Now we're playing another game here, another trivia game.
Duh.
This is music trivia now. They're pulling some prizes out here, some
Do you want
resort wear and mystery gifts. We're getting loud. Luckily, it's still daylight.
Andrew, watch that
They haven't
baby.
called the cops yet.
From Dolls Rescue, and it looks like it's gonna.
Oh, you said the same thing I thought.
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Wish you could have come.
I'm surfing.